Hey, what's going on, you guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, we're going to talk about exactly what is online arbitrage, help you understand how it works, how to make money online using Amazon FBA, and we're going to break it down exactly. So by the end of this, you'll be able to understand if this business model of online arbitrage would work for you, or maybe it wouldn't. So let's go ahead and get started. What is online arbitrage? Because when I first started selling on Amazon, I had no idea what it is. Basically, online arbitrage is buying from one website and selling it on another. The platform we're going to use in selling is Amazon FBA for a few reasons. Amazon's the best place to start selling and make money online because A, it's got the most traffic out there in terms of e-commerce online websites. Second of all, a lot of people have heard of Amazon, especially with its Prime, so you trust it. People like the quick delivery, and obviously who doesn't like the free returns, right? So that is online arbitrage in a nutshell, buying from one website and selling on another. And our goal here is to make money online doing this online arbitrage model via selling on Amazon FBA. So when it comes to selling to Amazon, there's no right or wrong. If you're a beginner, there's different models or ways you can start selling on Amazon. The way we're going to talk about is online arbitrage. We already defined that. Another way to do it is retail arbitrage, wholesale, or even private label, where you go ahead and create your own product from scratch, or maybe ordering from China. So we already defined what online arbitrage is, why Amazon's the best platform to sell on. But did you know places like Walmart, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, even StockX, these are other websites that you can use the same online arbitrage business model as well. So let's go ahead and talk about the pros and cons on selling on Amazon and using the online arbitrage model. Pro numero uno in terms of online arbitrage is being able to work anywhere. So you can see I am at the comfort of my home, but I can go travel. All I need is my laptop and an internet. That's how you run this business. And that's what attracted me in the first place, is being able to be flexible wherever I wanted to decide to work and go anywhere I'd like. I'm not stuck to a actual place where I need to go clock in and clock out. I can basically work anywhere, and that is a big pro in terms of online arbitrage and why you may want to do it. Number two pro is adding on top of the first one is having a flexible schedule on top of being able to work anywhere that you'd like. What I mean is, you know, if you want to structure your day so that way you can be consistent, ideally is you can create that schedule. But if you want to work whenever you are only inspired, maybe you're only doing it for a side hustle, you can fit that anywhere in your schedule. You might want to take a break right now. You might want to go work out. You might want to do errands, you know? So you are in charge of your schedule, and that is a big pro on top of the first one. Being able to work anywhere, anytime, and being able to schedule however you'd like. All right, pro number three is efficiency. What I mean by that inefficient is if you are working from your computer, going from one website to another, you get to see everything in front of you. The numbers, the profit, the sales rank, you know, all of these are in front of you, and that's what makes it efficient. Also, you'll be able to hit multiple websites in a couple hours, or if you want to spend, you know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you can be efficient that way versus the other business model is called retail arbitrage, where you go physically individual in each store, buy the physical product as well. So that's gonna, the benefit there is efficiency. You can hit as many websites you like, buy as much as you can that you are able to in a certain time. Add all those things up, and those are the majority of the pros you will find doing this online arbitrage business model. What's the pro without the con? So let's go ahead and talk about the cons of doing online arbitrage. First and foremost, it can get boring and repetitive. I mean, if you're sitting in your computer all day looking for products and stuff, that can be the result of it. Repetitiveness, you might get bored, and you know, it's hard to sit there sometimes all day just in your computer. Yes, you may be able to work around, work anywhere you'd like, but at the end of the day, if that is not you, you just can't stand staring at a monitor or computer screen for a long time. That's a big con in terms of this online arbitrage, because you are finding products online to sell on Amazon in your computer. Second con is competition. The internet is a free-for-all. You can go to any website you like. Everyone has access to it. So that is a con in terms of online arbitrage. However, there are ways for you to get an advantage, an edge, in order to maybe, increase your margin. This can be used by, using an online coupon, discounts, maybe getting it on clearance, on sale. So again, there are different strategies you can use as well in order to have an advantage. The last con online arbitrage model is getting your orders canceled. Oh my God, it's the worst. So not just strict cancel itself, but there could be multiple reasons. A, they might be out of stock. B, you might be abusing like a certain coupons, or they might have a set quantity limits on that. Also, on top of it, when you do receive your items from home, some items, and rare occasions, right? It doesn't happen all the time. Rare occasion, you might be receiving missing items. The item might be damaged, or it could be like back ordered, it's coming late. So these are rare occasions, but it can happen if you do the online arbitrage versus if you go into like the retail store itself. Retail arbitrage is you get to touch the physical product itself. When you buy it, you check out, you're not missing any products, so on and so forth. So that is the last con in terms of doing this business model called online arbitrage. So how does this online arbitrage OA works in terms of selling FBA? Basically, once you find a product, you ship it, you package it, you send it to Amazon, and a customer purchase it, you can add that to your product list, or also known as the catalog. The idea and the key to growing your Amazon business and making more sales is to grow that list. That is the idea on how this business really works. Yes, you might be purchasing, 10 items, 20 items on one website, but if you can repeat that to multiple websites, or even finding multiple products in one website, that is how we can really scale and grow. I was able to do this, hit 6 figures in sales within a couple months by just simply doing this. There was no advertising involved. There's no websites, because I am reselling items that people are already searching for in Amazon, and that is the advantage of why we are using Amazon FBA as the platform for online arbitrage. So you guys, that is online arbitrage in a nutshell. Hope you had a great understanding of how the business model works. We went over the pros and cons, how it works in terms of selling on Amazon, and that's how I personally got started, selling used books as a side hustle. So you can see there's a bunch behind me there. Then I slowly, expanded my catalog or product list. I went into apparel, I tried shoes, I tried beauty, tried groceries. So that's another way you can do is, do it gradually. And if you are hesitant as a beginner, that's an excellent way to get started in terms of Amazon. Just, kind of dip your feet in, see how it works, and you can take it from there. So if you're a beginner, I was there in your shoes about a year ago. My suggestion or tip I can give is to look in all different categories. I started as books. I was an avid reader, but you may be into, sports, you may be into, tools or beauty. So go ahead and try different categories, because eventually you're gonna find ones that will come easy to you, that's enjoyable for you to find products, and you will get there as long as you keep on trying and finding and honing this skill. Because at the end of the day, that's what it is. If you're looking for things that you can buy from one website to another, so you start to develop an eye. It's a skill at the end of the day. The more you do it, the better you get. Comment down below why and if this business model called online arbitrage will work for you, or maybe it wouldn't. I would love to know. Let me know, comment down below. And if you want to learn more on how to sell on Amazon, watch more content about it, simply click on these videos above, and I will see you in the next one.